Hi there, for today's video, we are going to show you how to make videos in Invideo AI and make the videos you would desire with just your words. So if we don't have an account, let's start by making an account. So at the top right corner of the website, you can see the sign up button. Click on it. Here you can see various options. For now, I'm going to join with Google. Then I'm going to select my desired email. And that's how easy was creating an account in Invideo. Now select your name. Then click on continue. Here you will see different types of options. Now select the option that is necessary. For now, let's select other. Now for this one, which is let's know you better, choose the option that is suitable for you. For now, let's select content creator. Click on continue and put your year of birth. Then let's say you want to make a short video for YouTube. So let's start by make explainer video. So click on it. So let's say we are going to create a video that will be for 3 minutes. So type a topic here. I'm going to type a topic. Now after you have done, may I selecting the topic. Now add description of how to use the video and how the video will be. So I am adding my description. After you have done the description, now select the other settings. Here, let us select the one you want. Here are only generated clips, only generated image, only stock media. Suppose we are gonna use only stock media, so select that. And for background music, you can choose the one you want. Let's say it will be calm and professional. Then for the language, let it be English. And for these other ones, I'm gonna keep it blank. Then select on proceed. And now click on generate my video. Now your video is being created. Now, if you want to change them, you can change. Here I'm going to keep it for beginners and media pace. Let's say normal and creative strategy, step by step. Now I'm going to change it to minimalist. Now click on continue. Now after your video is done, you will be able to see a preview. So let's see the preview.
Alright, so you want to start creating videos with Invideo, but you're not sure how to get started. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating your Invideo account step by step so you can get up and running fast. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to invideo.io. Once you create your account, you can
here you can see the video has been done and you can change it as you like. So let's see how you can change it and edit it. By giving a command, you can edit it. Also, there are also other options. You can see media, music, script, and settings. By clicking on these options, you can change the settings, the script, the music, and media you need. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification of our channel.